3.2 is all about adding and subtracting linear expressions. So a linear expression is an algebraic expression in which the exponent of each variable is 1. So we are going to have variable terms and constants in these expressions, but the exponents on those variables, they're all going to be 1. So some linear expressions we have are negative 4x, 3x plus 5y, and 5 minus 1 6x. So they could have just one term with variables, they could have multiple variables, or they could have constants and variable terms. But nonlinear expressions are going to have exponents greater than 1 in at least one of their terms. So all of these bottom ones are nonlinear expressions. We can use either a vertical or a horizontal method to add or subtract these linear expressions. Whichever way you choose is preference, but it is two different ways to show your work on how to add or subtract these. So we're going to be adding x minus 5 plus 2x plus 9. So to add these, we're going to show a vertical way. I'm going to stack the like terms together. This might need you to rearrange the order so that like terms are together. Then I have 1x plus 2x makes 3x's, and negative 5 plus 9 is 9 plus a negative 5, so we're going to subtract and get 4. So we have 3x plus 4. A horizontal way we can do this is if I have negative 6y plus 10 plus 14y minus 13, I can drop all the parentheses and rewrite as a sum. I can use commutative property to rearrange the order of all of these terms, and then negative 6 plus 14 is 8, and 10 minus 13 is negative 3. So then we would just add and combine like terms like we did in 3.1. So similarly, we can find each difference, and that is where we are going to be subtracting the two expressions. So a 7x plus 9 minus negative x plus 12. Vertical way, we are still going to line up all of their like terms, but I need to say that I am subtracting this entire expression. So 7x minus a negative x is adding x. And then 9 minus 12 I can rewrite here. So if we distribute the negative, that means we are going to be adding the opposite signs of each. So 7x plus x is 8x, and 9 minus 12 is negative 3. Using a horizontal method for subtracting, I'm still going to be distributing this negative to each term inside, so that I would have 3y plus 2 minus 10y plus 15. So then I have reorder them so that I have like terms together, and 13y minus 10y is 3y, and 2 plus 15 is 17, so that we have all of our like terms combined in that way. If a skateboard costs D dollars and you have a coupon for $5 off each one that you buy, after you assemble it, you are going to sell each skateboard for $3D minus $15. We are going to find and interpret your profit on each skateboard. So first, we are going to find the difference in the expressions representing the selling price and the purchase price. So I need to subtract these expressions. If we get $5 off each kit, then we would pay D minus $5 per kit. So the selling price subtracted by the purchase price, because we're going to sell for more than what we paid, we're going to do the big number minus the small number, and we're finding the difference. So that's how we know we're going to subtract. So if I have 3D minus 15 minus D plus 5, that's distributing this negative here, then I would have 3D minus D, which is 2D, and negative 15 plus 5 is negative 10. So then this is the profit that we get. This is how much money we bring back. So we pay D minus 5 per board, and we profit 2D minus 10. So this is tripling the money, because if it were just the same, the profit were the same as what I paid, that would be doubling it. But since this is twice as much, our profit is 3 times as big as the original.